Hi, I'm Keely McGeehan. I'm the English Department Head Teacher here at Carlisle High School. Thanks for taking a few minutes to learn more about the English program. Here you'll learn which courses will be the best fit for your needs and your interests. All English courses here at the high school are designed to improve all students' abilities to read, see, think, and communicate. In every grade level and in every course, students will read texts that challenge their skill set and their mindset. Students can expect to read texts that they find everywhere in the world around them. We examine everything from traditional canonical literature to poetry and songs, film and stage adaptations, news articles and essays, and speeches and performances. In asking students to look carefully through the practice of textual analysis, we seek to influence how our students see and interact with the world around them. Text studies, class discussions, and analytical and reflective assignments broaden perspectives, foster empathy, and hone communication skills so that students can be careful and critical consumers, producing thoughtful and creative responses to the world around them. English is somewhat unique at CHS because, unlike other subjects, students must take English all 4 years of their high school career. At CHS, there are 3 different options of study provided throughout a student's English experience. Honors and AP classes are focused on preparing students to participate in high-level academic studies and conversations. Students interested in courses like this would begin their English experience at CHS by choosing Honors English 1 in 9th grade and may go on to take Honors English 2 in 10th grade, AP Language and Composition in 11th grade, and AP Literature and Composition in 12th grade. You can find out more about each of those courses by viewing the informational videos for each of them. Option 2 classes are focused on preparing students for the reading, writing, and speaking they will encounter at the college level. And Option 1 classes are focused on the practical application of reading, writing, and speaking skills as students prepare to interact with and participate in the world around them after high school. It's important to note that different course options may be more appropriate for students at different points throughout their high school experience. If a student takes Option 1 in 9th grade, for example, they may decide to take Option 2 in 10th grade. If a student takes English Honors 2 in 10th grade, they may decide to take Option 2 in 11th grade instead of going on to AP Language and Composition. We encourage students to take courses that are the best fit for their needs and interests at any given time. We also offer several English electives at CHS. Shakespeare Page to Stage is a performance-based advanced studies course that explores Shakespearean works and adapts them for the stage. Creative writing is a study of writing masters and their writing methods in order to help students hone their own writing interests and style through creation, revision, and publication. Periscope is the CHS news staff. It is a production-based course wherein students explore and publish articles about current and local issues. And Oracle is CHS's yearbook staff, a production-based course wherein students use graphic and writing skills to design and publish the CHS yearbook. Once again, you can learn more about each of these electives by viewing the informational videos provided for each of them. I hope this presentation has provided helpful information for you as you make your course selection considerations. If you have any further questions, please feel free to email me. Thank you.